My peeps, I have a treat for you. Retro old style 70s Viewmaster. Viewmaster Good Guys Gift Pack. PAK. I don't know why they spelled like this. And it says GAF right there. It shows Superman, Batman, Robin, Wonder Woman, Aquaman, and Shazam. On the side, it says GAF Viewmaster Good Guys Gift Pack. You see Batman and Robin. 1975. Shazam with Billy, and he says Shazam, the Viewmaster, Aquaman, and Superman. It says stock number 2365 comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 view contains 1 stereo viewer and 8 stereo reels. I give the packaging right away 10 on 5 for retro, the old look. It's very old, 1975. I don't have many things from the 70s, 60s and 70s. Then that's the top of it. Old and dusty. You have the Viewmaster inside, the white and red one with blue handle. You look inside, you put the reel inside. 5 on 5. Value, don't know, don't care. I paid $75 and I bought it a long time ago. Then there's this, that the Viewmaster stays inside. You pick it up with your fingers, like this. And underneath, inside, there's this, the reels. And the reels, it says, Viewmaster reel contains 8 stereo reels. Contains 8 stereo reels, the Good Guys. And inside, you have your reels. Okay? The first one I have here is Aquaman. I'm gonna put this here, not to damage anything. Then I have Shazam. Then I have Shazam. And you can see this is Shazam's iconic name. Shazam! Then I have Wonder Woman. Too bad I can't show you these, like you could see right through them. A Superman. Another Superman. He is popular. A Batman. And this Batman is the 1960s Batman TV show. A Batman again the 1960s TV show, and another Shazam. That's pretty cool. I like this stuff. What you do is you take your reel and you put it in here like so, and you look through in the light. Keep it up all day if you like. I don't feel a thing. You see Miss Marvel, Captain Marvel, Marvel Jr. and Grandpa Marvel, I don't know what's his name, I'm the Black Adam. Now you can't see. And then you continue. Easy to come off, they don't damage them. Put it back in there. Put it back at the bottom. You put your little thing back. Then you put this back, and this is how it looks inside. See? And then you put this back. It's pretty rare. I would say it goes for like about 100 and up. Will I ever sell it? No. It's part of my collection. I paid $75 15 years ago. Yeah. I still have the bill that I bought off a guy here in the suburbs in Montreal, Canada. We lived pretty far. It took me almost an hour and a half to get to his place, and an hour and a half by bus, by metro and by bus. Yeah, and car. Metro, bus, and car. Every single time when I had to buy stuff off him. So Plasticjunky out. Thank you for watching my old style, retro style Viewmaster review. And more old collectibles to coming your way. Stay plastic, stay old school toys.